What's going on, guys? Chris with Epoxy to you here to show you a little video on our Rapid Mender. Now this is a very versatile product, but today we're going to show you specifically how to use it for concrete crack repair. So we have our A, our B, and our C. So the ratio when you want to mix this up is 1 part A, 1 part B, and then depending on the type of thickness you want the consistency to be will depend on how much C you want to put in there. So today we're actually going to put 4 parts C. So 1 part A, 1 part B, 4 parts C. Let's get to it. So here's our A. I'm going to pour 1 ounce of A in here. Since I did 1 ounce of A, I'm going to do 1 ounce of B. For best mixing results, I would recommend mixing the A and the B in first before we mix in our C. So here's our A, and here's our B. Now when you're dealing with a large amount of this product, you can use a drill to stir it all up. But since we're just doing a little quick sample, I can just easily do it with my hand. A and the B are pretty well mixed together. I'm gonna slowly start dumping in the C. And I say slowly because as it gets mixed in, it's gonna get thicker and thicker. And so it's just a lot easier to mix in gradually rather than all at once. If you've used this product before, you know that it used to cure in like kind of a tan, taupey color. We've actually started pigmenting it to be gray, so it matches the concrete a lot better. Now that only really matters to you if you're gonna leave this exposed on the concrete. If you're covering it in epoxy, it doesn't really matter. I think it is ready, so now I'm just gonna gravity pour it down into this crack. This is a self-leveling product, so as you pour it into the crack or the space that you wanna use it, it's gonna fill in every nook and cranny and level itself out. All right, now you can either let it cure just like this and kind of have a bit of a crown. As you notice, I let it drip over onto each side of the crack so it really forms a strong bond between the 2 slabs. And then after it cures, which this product cures extremely fast, we're talking 20-30 minutes tops, you can come back and grind it down. But some people prefer to kind of smooth it out already as it's curing. So you can kind of feather it out a little bit, but I think I'm gonna let it just sit and cure, and then we'll come back and grind it later. All right, there you have it for our Rapid Mender demonstration on concrete crack repair. This product can also be used for many, many more projects, so get creative. And like I said, this is our starter kit. So once you're ready for the bigger kit, head on over to our website at etu.com to place your order.